Hello friends, today we will discuss about engines. So what is the basic definition of an engine? So I will tell you about what is an engine and how the engines can be classified. So basically engine is a device which converts chemical energy into thermal energy, and by the help of this thermal energy we take some kind of mechanical work. Now the question is that where this chemical energy comes from. So as we all know that for running any engine we need fuel. So that fuel is nothing but a chemical, and for burning that fuel we need oxygen. So we take air. So the chemical energy is taken from the fuel and the air. So here the chemical energy is air and fuel mixture. So as we can see we have petrol, that is fuel over here. So the chemical energy is taken from the air and fuel, and the fuel and air is burnt. After burning it generates some amount of heat. So basically what we are doing, we are taking air and fuel, we are combusting it, we are taking some amount of heat energy from it, and then we are using this heat energy to get mechanical work, right? So basically engine is a device which converts chemical energy into thermal energy, and this thermal energy is then converted into some kind of mechanical work. So this is the basic definition of an engine. Now coming to the classification of engines, so engine can be classified into two types. So the first one is internal combustion engine and second one is external combustion engine. So let us discuss about these two types of heat engine. So I will start with internal combustion engine. So internal combustion engine, as the name suggests, internal combustion. So here the combustion of air and fuel is taking inside. Now inside of what? So here the combustion of or the burning of air and fuel is taking place inside a confined space or a confined cylinder. We call it combustion chamber. So basically an internal combustion engine is a type of heat engine in which the combustion of air and fuel is taking place in a closed surface, and that closed surface is known as combustion chamber. So this is the basic definition of internal combustion engine. So as the name suggests, internal combustion, so it means the combustion is taking place inside a space, inside a closed space. So this is known as internal combustion engine. So the 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine that are used in our bikes, in our cars, they all are internal combustion engine. Now coming to external combustion engine, so here as the name suggests, external combustion, it means the combustion of air and fuel is taking place externally. It means outside the cylinder, right? So let us come to the definition first. An external combustion engine uses a working fluid, either a liquid or a gas or both, that is heated by fuel burnt outside the engine. So let us understand this concept by this diagram. So here we are giving heat. Now this heat may be taken from coal or air. This heat may be taken from the LPG cylinder. So anything, the source of heat can be anything. So here we are giving heat by some kind of chemical work. So if we are burning LPG, so here LPG is a fuel and that is burning in place of in the presence of oxygen. So here heat is being generated by the help of some kind of chemical energy. So chemical energy is generating some amount of heat, and by this heat we are boiling the water. The water is getting converted into the steam, and we are using this steam to run this dynamo. So here the thing is same. Here what we are doing, we are just deriving the heat from the chemical energy, and we are using this heat to get some kind of mechanical work. But the difference is the combustion is taking place outside the cylinder. It means the combustion which is taking place outside here, that is the burning of LPG and the air, is taking place outside this closed system. So that is why we call it external combustion engine. Our thermal power plant is an example of external combustion engine. Nuclear power plant is an example of external combustion engine. So basically there are two types of heat engine. First one is internal combustion engine, second one is external combustion engine. So in internal combustion engine, the combustion is taking place inside a confined space, that is known as combustion chamber, and in external combustion chamber the combustion of air and fuel is taking place outside the cylinder. Here we can see the combustion is taking place over here. So it is not inside a chamber, it is not inside a confined space. That is why we call it external combustion engine. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.